What's going on, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Artisan Cutlery Small Hyperion. Now this comes to the channel via the Black Widow Pass Around group, which was organized by my good friend Justin, aka the Knife Dude. Link to his channel down in the description. Definitely go check him out. I want to send a huge shout out to him, of course, and Artisan Cutlery for sending these to the group. But anyway, you can see this thing has a beautiful flat ground clip point Damascus blade. It is a titanium bolster lock design and has these really nicely done carbon fiber overlays. Pocket clip is titanium and tip up right hand carry only. Now it does have this little hidden lanyard hole or lanyard tube, whichever you want to call it, right here in the back. So, that's pretty cool. I like them when they're hidden because, it doesn't take away from the look or lines of the knife and still has that option if you need it. But anyway, the hardware is titanium as well and keeps the weight down on this thing quite nicely. Now they do make a larger version of this and I think it's right around 20 bucks more. I think this one's right 185, something like that, and the larger version is 200. But yeah, for the size, I gotta say the ergos on this thing are great. The action is really nice and dialed in. I mean, detent seems fine. It doesn't really lock up when you're deploying the knife, pretty much because it is a bolster lock and you don't really have access to press on that lock bar anyway. So yeah, that's another good thing about it. But this knife is really cool and I really want to see the larger version someday. But anyway, the overall length on this guy is 6.75 inches. The blade is solid 3 inches. The cutting edge 2.875 with a width of 0.75. Now the thickness is 0.10. Now the handle length 3.75. The width 0.875, thickness 0.50, and we'll get a quick weight on this bad boy, which it weighs practically nothing. 2.290. Yeah, you can't beat that. That's just a little bit more than a bug out. Actually, I got a bug out right here. This is my Flightanium bug out. 2.1. So yeah, you can't beat that weight, especially for having titanium. And I mean, this thing, it feels pretty solid for a small little knife. I'm a huge fan of the Barlow, and actually I got like the Asher Classic right here, which that's been one of my favorite knives. I've carried this thing more than probably anything else as a secondary, and this has been an excellent knife. But anyway, we will compare this bad boy, let's see, to the ZT-0450CF. See, it's right around 3/4 of an inch smaller than the ZT compared to the Deca. Yeah, right around this same size, 3/4 of an inch, ½ inch, something like that. And we'll go pair 3 lightweight. Yeah, maybe a little over a 1/4 inch shorter than the pair 3 lightweight, give or take. So yeah, definitely a great EDC size. And if you do happen to have the larger size, let me know what you think. Is it too big? Is it too small? Yeah, that's what she said, right? But yeah, definitely let me know. I'm curious. These things are awesome. I'll probably be getting one for myself just to try it out if nobody else tells me otherwise. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram for much, much more. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.